Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to show you how I would bleach my frontal or closure. What you would need is, I have two of these developers right here just because I don't know which one is which, but I use 40 volume developer, and this is by Clear Raw Professionals. I use a dye brush, a little bowl, and this is BW2 extra strength bleach powder, and I also use Shimmer Lights shampoo. You can also use the ISO Plus because that also works to stop the bleaching process as well. This works to get rid of any of the brassiness, and then you're also going to need some aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of aluminum foil. The closure I'm using is this one, and it's by WIG777, and I just want to show you the packaging. It's from this hair company right here, and it feels really nice, like it's really soft, and it just really looks nice. I can't wait to install it. The hairline is pre-plucked on this one. Then you have some baby hairs and stuff. The inside just looks like that. It does have an adjustable strap, and this is a 360 closure, and there are the straps right there. So what I'm doing is just pulling the hair through, and so it'll lay flatter. So I'm going to do one scoop, two scoop, and three scoops. And you're really just going to pour it until you get the consistency that you want. You kind of want it to be thick and not runny, so that it doesn't run through and bleach the actual strands of your hair or your unit closure. So you want it to be like that, like you want it to stick to the brush.
All they seem to do is be checking up on you, baby.
I'll take another piece and just sit it over top of that, not pushing it down, just sitting it over top, and leave that there for about 15 minutes, and then I'll check. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes from underneath, and to see if it's not any more black knots that you might see. And I don't know if you guys are getting a good look, but I'll try to pull it up without bleaching my hand. Knots are gone, so it's ready to be washed out. So I'm just going to rinse it out. So you can use your ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo, but I'm going to go ahead and use my Shimmer Lights. I feel like if you rinse it out good enough that you don't need to use two different shampoos. So I'm just going to stick to this one. And I love the color and smell of this one.
I was checking this girl next door and her parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knock at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, just in a long black satin.
Handy. So I have a 20-inch bundle, an 18-inch bundle, and a 22-inch bundle, as well as I believe a 16-inch 360 closure. Inside they also put a pair of lashes and an information card. On the inside you have the adjustable straps, which tells you basically where the front and the back is on your closure. And I would just slide it on like that. And I bring it to where the tip of the hairline is at the tip of the dome cap. And I just take a pin and stick it right in. So everybody make their units differently. I tend to take the part that is separated on the bundle and keep them together. And the first track going across here is usually doubled when I do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Basically what I'm going to do now is cut off the lace, and I am finito.
Nobody saw. You could be running, we got down, bound to the rhythm. So it was early morning, thought we better be leaving. So I gave you my jacket for you to hold. Told you to wear it cause you felt cold. I mean, I didn't mean to break the rules. I wasn't trying to play among bad for fools. We were just doing things and people love to. Parents trying to find out what we were up to. Saying why we